much. You guys ready to watch a movie? I can't fucking believe it's happening. This has been a long time coming. I worked really hard on it. I care about it a lot. I don't want to say too much about it specifically. I just want you to watch it and enjoy. But I do have one thing I want to say, and that is that my co-star is here tonight. I would say she's a living legend, and she really proves it in this movie here tonight. It's such a stellar performance. I'm so proud that she's in this movie. Ladies and gentlemen, please hear Scarlett Johansson. I think so. Oh, look at those pearls. It's like a Grace Kelly bit. We're going to be back after the movie is done to have a little conversation about the film. So without any further ado, enjoy the show.